How do I update my seat navigation system? To update your seat navigation system, follow these general steps. 1. Identify your seat navigation system model. 2. Visit the official seat website or contact a seat dealership for updates. 3. Look for the software or navigation system update section on the website. 4. Download the update files provided by seat. 5. Prepare a compatible storage device, USB flash drive or SD card. 6. Transfer the update files to the storage device. 7. Insert the storage device into the USB or SD card slot in your seat vehicle. 8. Start your vehicle and access the multimedia system settings or navigation menu. 9. Find the option for system updates or software updates. 10. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the update process. 11. Confirm the update, accept any terms and conditions, and allow system restarts if prompted. 12. Be patient and avoid interrupting the process or turning off the vehicle during the update. 13. Wait for the update to complete, which may take some time. 14. Verify the successful installation by checking the navigation system and settings menu. 15. Ensure the updated features, such as maps, are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues during the update process, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.